Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Romanov and I'm family law specialist in San Francisco. Today I would like to talk about what's the reason for divorce and what advice I can give in relationships. What I notice when my clients come into the office, I realize that they never had and this is my number one advice, setting up expectations in advance. I realize my clients haven't talked to each other about, let's say, if we're going to have kids, who is going to stay home, who is going to be the one taking care of the children, or chores, or cooking, and things like that. So when they get married and they haven't talked about it, that's a big problem because they're completely misunderstood the roles. And sometimes it's way not the way, the conventional way of relationships that is now in modern times. Number 2, talk about finances. I'm so amazed sometimes when clients come to my office and they say, in 20 years I haven't seen his bank statement, in 5 years, in 10 years. They don't even know what the other party is earning, what the other spouse is spending. And so when young couples come to my office and they want to have prenuptial agreement, part of the prenuptial agreement is to disclose make financial disclosures. And I think this is a very healthy way to start talking about finances. Number 3, mutual interests. And it might sound simple, but have you thought about wanting to have children? For example, do you like reading together? Do you like biking? Do you like, what is the mutual connection? Some people say, well, if he's an introvert and I'm an extrovert, that's not a good match. It's not true. There are so many other interests that can build a relationship, that can bound you to each other if you like to travel or things like that. Number 4, be prepared to listen. Yes, it is a very, very important communication, and we heard it so many times. But I cannot emphasize enough that sometimes people don't talk. They don't express their fears, their hopes, their little, it might be very, very little, but it is important to state that to your partner. And finally, I have a rule that I learned in a different class, so I'm borrowing that, and it's don't hold any grudges for more than 24 hours and clear the air within 24 hours. It's very healthy. I realize that if I do that within 24 hours, it feels so much better. Don't go to bed feeling like this problem is not resolved, because the sure thing will be that you're the one who is going to carry that anger throughout the day. So that's all for today. I hope it was helpful. Talk to you soon. Bye!